Hello all, just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how to embed subtitles in a different way than what we've seen before, so that even if you use subtitles that are placed on different parts of the screen, you could still hard encode them and they would stay in the same place. So for this, you use VLC, and once VLC is open, you go to Media and go to Stream. Here you add your file, so you choose the file you want to hard encode subtitles. Okay, use a subtitle file, browse, get your subtitle file, click Stream, next. Here you have to add the destination folder, so where is the finished product going to go. So you browse, and in this case I'm going to call it a different iteration, so 73 mother's motorcycle 73.mp4. Save that, click next. This is quite important. You have to select H.264 plus MP3 as your profile. Okay, and now you have to go into the settings and make sure everything is right. So encapsulation, this is correct. MP4/move, video codec. Here you want H.264. Audio codec, this is quite important, keep original track, okay, otherwise you won't get anything. And the subtitles, you click the subtitles box and then overlay the subtitles on the video, and then you click save, next, and stream. Now the video is playing and being put into an output folder. It's taking a little bit longer because of the screen capture program I have running in the background. So, okay, once the bar has gone all the way to the end, you can close the program. Now open the folder, mother's motorcycle 73. So here you can see this is a subtitle that I placed.
To understand how this happened, you need to know about my grandfathers, Michael Gottschalk and Paul Wrestling.
And you can see that they've hard encoded perfectly. So I hope that will help some of you who have need to move the subtitles and hard encode them into the right place. Enjoy!